So Amazon is at it again. As you guys may already know, they are starting to block applications. They're moving away from third-party applications altogether, and even their new devices does not allow sideloading. So with more users reporting that their Fire TV sticks are blocking third-party apps, APKs are failing, and even VPNs aren't helping as they used to. So of course you're not alone, and you don't have to give up sideloading. Move away from the Amazon Fire TV stick. So in this video I'm showing you 3 powerful Fire TV stick alternatives that completely sidestep these restrictions. Whether you want a top tier performance, budget friendly upgrade, or total open source control, these devices will keep you streaming the way you want to. So we're going to jump right into it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. Now before we jump into it, big shout out to today's video sponsor, Aurzen. So this is the Aurzen Easy D1R. This is a compact projector running full Roku OS, giving you a complete streaming experience without any additional devices. Now the projector itself comes with the official license for Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, as well as YouTube. So these are the real apps, fully functional, fully supported, no workarounds or sideloading needed. As far as the setup, plug it in and you're pretty much all set. This also comes with autofocus as well as auto keystone correction, so it automatically fine-tunes your picture so your image is sharp and perfectly aligned every time. Now this is a 1080p projector, but the picture quality is pretty impressive, featuring a 280 lumen brightness with adjustable high, mid, and low mode. The D1R adapts seamlessly to your lighting as well as your environment. Now this has a high transmitting lens and native 1080p resolution with 4K decoding. This delivers a crisp, detailed, and rich vibrant color that really pops on your screen, or even if you're just putting it on a wall. As far as the sound, this comes with dual 8-watt speakers with Dolby Audio, giving you clear highs, balanced mids, and surprisingly deep bass. This is easily loud enough to fill an entire room.
It's a price drop. $259 a month at the Big HQ, headquarter Honda in Claremont.
As far as the projector, you do have controls up top where you can navigate through the menu, turn it on and turn it off. However, you do have some ports for additional functionality. So you do have an HDMI port, which means that you can connect additional devices directly to this projector. It also comes with a 3.5mm audio jack as well as a USB port. Now the power plug is cleverly tucked underneath, which keeps your setup neat and pretty much out of sight. Now there's also an adjustable leg for quick angle changes, plus a standard 1/4-20 mount. That's if you want to add this to a tripod, which I've done here, and this is really convenient. As far as the Wi-Fi, this is going to come with 2.4 as well as 5 gig dual band Wi-Fi, as well as Bluetooth 5.1. With the dual band Wi-Fi, streaming was extremely smooth, no issues there, and you do have the convenience to connect this to Bluetooth headphones if you choose to do so. Now the remote keeps things super simple. This remote is a standard Roku remote, fast response, one click to Netflix, YouTube, or your other applications. If you prefer, you can also control the entire projector from the Roku mobile application, so from adjusting the volume to navigate menus or even enabling private listening right from your smartphone. This is another feature that I like that Roku provides. Now this is great for multiple users, for your kids, for your parents, definitely user friendly. The Aurzen Easy D1R, powered by Roku TV OS, has sharp picture quality, Dolby sound, and effortless control. Streaming is going to be extremely easy on this device. So if you're interested in this, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description where you can go and pick it up. If you have any questions about this device, drop it in the comments, and big shout out to Aurzen again for sponsoring this video. Let's start with power and performance, and this is where I'm going to introduce the NVIDIA Shield TV. Yeah, they've been around for a long time, haven't seen an upgrade in a while. However, the NVIDIA Shield has remained strong, and it has remained consistent when it comes to sideloading. So if you're done with laggy Fire TV stick blocking the application, this device is a beast. It runs pure Android TV, so you're not trapped into Amazon's ecosystem, and you can install any app straight from an APK or the Google Play Store. As far as the pros, the Tegra X1 Plus processor keep everything light and fast, from 4K playback to gaming and emulation. It's also stable, powerful, and built for users who want full control. As far as the cons, of course, this is going to be a pricey device. You can get the round shield or you can get the Pro for $150 to $200, which can feel like overkill for the casual user, but once you've used it, it's hard to go back to a Fire TV stick. As far as style loading, all you need to do is turn on install unknown apps, use downloader, and you're instantly free to load any APK from any website. This one's for the power streamers who want no limits. The next device we're going to talk about are the On 4K Pro / On 4K Plus. So if you're on a budget but still want out of Amazon ecosystem, the On 4K Pro Plus is going to be your best bet in my opinion. As far as the pros, the price on the Plus version is about $29 and the price on the Pro is usually about $40. These run Google TV, still Android based, which means you can install anything you want, even third-party APKs that the Fire TV sticks are starting to block. You get 4K playback, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and smooth performance that's going to rival much more expensive devices. As far as the cons on these devices, you'll be limited to storage. So if you're a heavy user or you install a lot of applications, there is a way to install additional storage, but you'll need to buy an OTG adapter, and I'll go ahead and link that in the description. But honestly, for the price, the On devices are unbeatable. As far as the side loading freedom, all you need to do is enable developer mode, install as from unknown sources. You can use downloader, install your applications, and you're pretty much done. So if you just want Firestick level simplicity and full freedom, this is your budget option, the On devices. The next set of devices we're going to talk about is the ones that's going to give you the ultimate flexibility. And when I think flexibility, I'm thinking something that's going to be future proof, so it won't be blocked in the future, and just gives you ultimate freedom to customize your boxes how you want. And this is where the BuzzTV devices come in, and they're running on AOSP or Android open source project. So users who want true flexibility and control, the BuzzTV B5 series is going to be a great option. Not only do these rival the Fire TV stick or the On devices, but often they come with a lot more built in. They're going to come with Ethernet ports, SD slot, USB ports, so you have more streamlined way to install your applications. Of course, if you have the money and you want to go up to the PowerStation 6, which I have, this is going to be the best of both worlds. Not only is this going to be AOSP, but also this is going to have power that absolutely demolishes the NVIDIA Shield TV. So these devices, as I mentioned, they run AOSP, which means no Google restrictions, and no one can block you from side loading on these devices ever. Of course, these are built for serious streaming, so multiple USB ports, Ethernet, micro SD, and fast processor that can handle everything from IPTV to media playback. As far as the cons, the PowerStation 6 is premium, so it's not very budget friendly, but Buzz offers several models at different price points with the same open source benefits. This is real side loading, from APKs to drives to file managers. No system updates will ever remove your apps, and this is the beauty of open source, that you're going to own your device. It's not owned by Amazon. So another kind I should mention on the open source project devices is that certain apps like Netflix are not going to be Google certified, which means you're not going to get the premium or the 4K version of Netflix. So if that's important to you, you do want to skip the AOSP devices, but you still have more options on this list to choose from. So here's a quick chart just showing you the breakdown by category. So all three devices that I just talked about fixes what Amazon essentially broke. They give you full control, side loading access, and zero ecosystem limits. If Amazon's blocking your favorite apps, these devices are your way out. So which one is your pick? Are you leaning towards something that's more powerful, more budget friendly, or something that's going to give you open source access for the foreseeable future? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Of course, I'll be leaving some links to a couple devices if you want to check them out. And if you want, I can do a follow-up video just separating each category and multiple devices within each category. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.